coming here.
Hi.
Hi. बैठना.
Good to see you यार.
Yeah, good to see you. Busy था क्या?
मैं कहाँ यार, मेरा तो चलता रहता है. तू बता, how come you're here? Official trip,
Yeah.
ऑफिस का काम.
I just came this morning. आज शाम को वापस जा रही हूँ. Back to back meeting से सोचा कि देखूँ एक मीटिंग डिले हो गई तो if you're free.
Anyways यार, मैं तो तेरा टाइम पास नहीं हूँ.
Time pass. Don't flatter yourself. तो time waste है.
हाँ, right. तेरा तो टाइम पास वो था ना?
कौन?
कुणाल मुखर्जी.
Wow. Dude, how is he? He's so hot, no, in a strange sort of way.
What? Just shut up.
Yeah, yeah.
What are you talking about?
तो टच में है?
Sometimes, not totally, like, you know.
Are you in touch with him or you're not in touch with him?
Facebook, status update, that kind of stuff. Whoa.
I'm not on Facebook.
Yeah, no wonder. But ball by ball, no, I'm not in touch with him. What? What? Isha, what? What?
Ball by ball account?
क्या?
When your cricket analogies, yeah, nothing's changed. प्रतीक, you remember? एक बार मैं तुझे घर वापस ड्रॉप कर रही थी कॉलेज के बाद. And
तेरे ट्रैक्टर में.
हेलो 6 साल उस गाड़ी में तो घूमा है, नमक हराम कहीं का. Anyway, तो मैं
That
बोली
car,
थी,
is it still there or you guys sold it?
oh yeah, we sold it कब के.
Old memories.
Yeah. Anyway, तो उस दिन ना सुबह मेरा सिड के साथ ब्रेकअप हुआ था, याद है? And मेरी तो मतलब दुनिया खत्म हो गई थी. I was driving and I just couldn't take it anymore. Yeah, I had to stop. I had to park the car and I put my head down and I was crying bitterly. And you know, to console me, you said, "See, Isha, you know, in life, this happens, yeah. You have to be strong." And I was like, yeah, you know. And then you say, "Look at Dada. You know, he was at his lowest, but see how he bounced back." I'm looking. Chuti, what an idiot you were.
Okay, listen, in my defense, okay, Dada was a fucking legend. Alright?
Of
Everybody
course.
felt
No,
that.
no, please. Not everyone.
Of course.
Just you. You were just obsessed with him, okay?
Bullshit. That's.
Anyway, सुनना.
हाँ.
सुन मेरी बात. I was looking at your face and I was like, seriously? Has he taken this moment to teach me about the greatness of cricket?
What can I say? I loved cricket. Loved the cricket.
Oh, I know. You only loved cricket.
Yeah.
और अब?
और अब?
Do you still love cricket?
Cricket. हाँ, लेकिन एक अलग ढंग का प्यार है. आजकल मैं क्रिकेट सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने बाथरूम में बैठ के देखता हूँ.
Why?
Cheerleaders.
Gross. Cheek.
What happened to you? Hoity-toity? Huh? Miss Corporate?
Thank you. Do you want
Excuse
to
me.
excuse me?
Excuse me. You want to order something?
Yeah. Can you just take our order?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I get Earl Grey tea, please? Just keep the tea bag on the side.
Sure, ma'am.
I'll have an orange juice. Just keep the orange on the side, please. Side?
Sir.
Juice. Orange juice. Huh? Can you do that?
Just get an orange juice and an Earl Grey tea.
But
Thank you.
Sure, ma'am.
what? What?
Please, you're in a restaurant, yeah?
God, yaar.
Fuck, you're not in school.
Okay, sorry.
It's been really long now since we met. Last we met was at the shadi.
Yeah. लेकिन you were busy now this time, so.
प्रतीक, मेरी शादी थी यार. Obviously I'll be busy, no?
मतलब मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि मतलब ऐसे आराम से बैठ के we didn't spend time, we didn't talk.
अरे, you could have called me also, ना? You're one of my closest friends. It's been a year and you haven't bothered to call.
So,
So,
how's married life?
it's good, yeah. I mean, I've been away from home now for a while, so it's not like it's anything drastic. But it's fun.
And how's Avinash?
Avinash is good. Very good, in fact. You know, when he joined this job, now, the office was going through really like a hard time. You know, he's a hard worker, yeah. He's worked really hard. He just got promoted. He's heading the entire Western region now. There's 60 people reporting to him. I barely
Do you
see
have
him.
his IT returns?
What?
Stock analysis? Huh? What is wrong with you?
What is wrong
What
with
is wrong
you?
with you? I'm asking you, you know, you're giving me this whole financial report. How's he with you? Matlab,
Oh,
yeah.
why didn't you say that? So see, so sometimes he gets really drunk, you know, and then when he comes home now, he beats me up. But then, you know, he says, baby, I
That's
love
not
you.
what I meant. That's not what I meant. You know that.
Listen.
मैं कुछ और- You just.
What kind of question is, how is he?
It's good. I was. Okay, leave it. Leave it, idiot.
Thanks, Alice. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll keep on.
Thanks. और कुछ gossip देना.
What gossip you want?
Who are you in touch with? Have you met anyone?
Vibha Gupta.
What?
Oh.
Why?
Why not, yaar? I bumped into her at Rahul Common Friends party. You don't know Rahul. Common Friends party.
How is she?
Big.
What do you want, no?
What? What?
Fuck.
What? छी.
Oh,
गंद. You know, गंद भरी है तेरी दिमाग में.
मेरी दिमाग में.
Perverted you
मेरी
are.
दिमाग में.
my-
मेरी.
What was I saying? You're thinking something that's absolutely हो गई है यार. The poor girl is put on weight. I actually have
Stop.
given her a number of a nutritionist. Do you think I'm?
Fuck off.
Oh
okay?
God, you fuck
Fuck
off.
off.
Just got a dirty
Please.
mind.
Okay. Listen, you never looked at her in the face when you spoke to her in school.
Okay, that's not fair, alright? That's
I'm telling you the truth.
It was
Where were
only,
you looking?
It was only eye
Gross.
contact. Always making
Yeah.
eye contact. Absolutely.
Stop it.
Ooh, stop it.
Creep.
But the fact is that I've changed.
Really?
I've grown up. मैं mature हो गया हूँ. You don't believe me?
I believe you.
I'll prove it to you. Ah, yes.
क्या?
Planner.
I know.
See, all mature people have planners. I have a planner.
Right.
That's how mature.
Right.
क्या देख रही है? What are you saying?
Just seeing how mature you've become, no?
What?
And the proof that you, my friend,
Okay, that
have not matured.
that I can explain. Alright, that I can explain.
Tell me.
ये गांडू ने मुझे 11 बजे सुबह ऑफिस में बुलाया मीटिंग के लिए. I mean, you tell me, who the fuck calls you for a meeting to the office at 11 o'clock in the morning? Who starts work at 11 o'clock? Let's do a meeting in my place at 11 o'clock. Idiot.
Such a diva you are.
What the fuck is wrong with you, such a diva?
I wake
11
up
o'clock.
at 7 a.m. and I'm at work by
What was that?
9.
मेरी आँख में कुछ है क्या? देख ले आँख में कुछ है क्या?
सच बोल रही हूँ यार.
अरे मिल गया.
अब तो
अरे मिल गया.
वीकेंड. सुन ना.
मिल गया.
अरे I'm telling you यार, मैं ऑफिस पहुंचती हूँ 9 बजे.
person in the world who will get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I know you're not a morning person. Just shut the fuck up.
Things have changed,
Yeah,
yeah.
things have changed. Yeah, exactly like how I've changed with my planner and getting all mature. Right? Exactly what you're talking about.
No, seriously.
No, bullshit. Okay,
I'm telling you.
I'm telling you. Okay, listen to me. You remember you were supposed to pick me up for college. Sardar Babaji के बाहर में खड़ा था.
Yeah, I picked you up every day.
No, you didn't. That one day, 7 o'clock in the morning, मैं वहाँ पर ठहर रहा हूँ. 7 का 7:30 हो गया, 8 हो गया, 7:30 हो गया. I started getting a little worried. कहीं एक्सीडेंट
Why? तो एक दिन late हो गई
अरे
यार।
सुन ना मेरी बात यार, why are you getting so defensive? 8 बज
I'm
गए
not
थे।
getting defensive.
Listen to me. Okay. I'm concerned about the tractor, not about you.
Of course.
All right.
Go on.
So I took a rickshaw and I went to your house. And right outside your house, वहाँ थी। यहाँ होगा। And I go close by और मैं गाड़ी के अंदर जब झाँकता हूँ, you know what I see? You were sitting and your face was like that, steering wheel. ऐसे थूक निकल रहा था, drooling.
बकवास।
Drooling.
बकवास मत what is rubbish?
You were talking in your sleep. You had a smile.
बकवास।
But you don't remember.
Of course I don't remember.
You know why
But
you
it
don't
didn't
remember?
happen.
No. Because I didn't wake you up.
Why?
Because you were sleeping so peacefully. There's a smile on your face. Pata nahi, you must be dreaming about me probably. I don't know.
So sensitive you are, yeah, Pratik. Oh my god.
So that's the real story. That's the real story. So don't bullshit me
minute.
about 7 o'clock in the
Okay.
morning and all that rubbish. क्या कर रही है यार?
I have a message. Office, you know, you're mature and all, na? You have work to do. एक मिनट ना ऑफिस का है।
take your time.
Are you seeing anyone? Sorry.
Yeah.
What? Why didn't you bring her? Who?
You.
Seriously, yeah.
Seriously, yeah. Okay, you don't want me to see you. नहीं देखो, ठीक आँख बंद हो गई. I don't see you. Isha. I'm seeing you. I'm not seeing you. I'm seeing you. I'm not seeing you. I'm seeing you.
You know, I believe you. You really have changed, yeah.
Thank you.
So mature and like, you know, stupid. Remember Priyanka Bhan?
Hell yeah. Working hottie.
She's damn hot.
Absolutely.
So, she's working at NDTV, yeah?
I know. I follow her curves.
Mrs.
The
Bhan,
chart
her
curves.
mom, she teaches.
Oh yeah.
She was always taking your case.
And how, yeah.
And she was here, na? She had said, Pratik, इतने बड़ी सिटी में एक लड़की नहीं मिला तुम्हें? Useless. Useless. I was really fond of her, yeah.
Yeah, she died. What?
When?
Huh?
When?
What?
Mrs. Bhan. How? Or what happened?
What happened?
She said she.
I said she died. Nah, I'm asking. Okay. Relax, yaar. My planner. Careful.
Are you changing the topic?
What?
How come you can't find a girl for yourself, get married, have kids, the whole 9 yards?
I found her.
And?
She got married and left town.
How boring.
मेरा तो ऐसा ही है.
How time flies now. I still feel कि we are in school and अभी अलार्म बजने वाला है और फिर माँ चिल्लाएगी Aisha, if you miss the bus, Papa's not going to drop you.
टेंशन मत ले. मैं टाइम मशीन बना रहा हूँ. I'll sweep you away in that.
Really?
Absolutely. Tell me something.
What?
If you really had a time machine and you could go anywhere and change anything, what would you change?
Wow. I don't know.
Kuch bhi. Means any decision that you would have taken differently, path of life.
Nothing, yeah. Because, you know, I mean, everything happens for a reason, no? So, nothing. You? What would you change?
I have it all planned out.
Yeah?
I would go to 2nd July 2002. मैं अपने डैड की गाड़ी चुरा लेता, उसे बेच देता ब्लैक मार्केट में, एंड द मनी दैट आई वुड हैव गॉट फ्रॉम दैट, आई वुड हैव बॉट अ टिकट टू गो टू लंडन. I'd go to London and book the tickets for the India versus England match at Lord's, 13 July 2002. I would stay there and I would watch every ball, and in the end when KF hits that and takes the winning run and Dada takes on his t-shirt, waving it out in the fucking face of the Goras saying, fuck you, I would be right there, I would be the part of history, I would be in it. Damn, that's where I'd like to be. I have it all sorted out. Lord's.
Tell me something. You're not seeing anyone. And your fantasy is to see a 40-year-old man take his shirt off.
Fun. Fuck you.
Kathy, look at me.
Fuck you.
Look at me. You can tell me. Tell me. Is that what it is?
The phone's ringing. Pick it up.
Yeah.
Pick up your phone.
Hello? No, I just stepped out to meet a friend. Yeah, I've marked the super boss also. अंग्रेजी में यार. तू है ना उसे समझाने के लिए? नहीं, I'll get there directly. चल. Yeah, cool. Bye. Sorry.
I would have worked harder, Isha.
Huh? What?
If I could travel back in time, I would have worked harder. To get what I really wanted.
If you'd worked harder, no, you'd have definitely got Vibha Gupta to sleep with you.
That's right. You have me bang on.
Thank
you understand me. I mean, यही मेरी जिंदगी की सबसे बड़ी रिग्रेट है कि I didn't nail Vibha Gupta.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oof, I have to go.
ठहर यार.
You're crazy. I'm going to be late for my meeting.
10 मिनट ठहर जा.
चुप रहे यार.
अरे कम यार. It's okay. We're meeting after so long. Sit ना. It's okay.
Listen, इतना है तो फोन क्यों नहीं करता है? फोन है ना तेरे पास? चल. Oh fuck. Listen, how much should I give you?
Just shut. Please.
Should I just give
put
you?
that away.
You sure? Thank you.
At least drop you.
It's walking distance right here.
हाँ तो I'll walk with you. Come.
Chill now. Just sit. आराम से.
I'll.
It's okay. Bye. Bye.
Say hi to Avinash.
Okay.
Check, please.